Hi everyone, this is IT Weekly and I'm Chris Engler. This week's episode is about business continuity and was inspired by a recent cyber attack that put some of Honda's manufacturing facilities offline. Honda manufacturing plants in Ohio and Turkey went offline Tuesday, June 9th after a cyber attack compromised some of the Japanese automakers' facilities. Cybersecurity researchers suggest a ransomware attack is most likely to blame. As you can imagine, Honda suffered huge losses for shutting down operations in these plants, and we're going to address this sort of issue so we don't experience downtime in our businesses. Business continuity is a broad issue and encompasses everything having to do with the business process. For the sake of this video, we're going to focus on business continuity from a server standpoint. So if you don't have a server, this video is not for you. When it comes to business continuity, the first thing we have to consider is just how fragile the modern business process can be. Every day, businesses become more and more reliant on modern technology. The benefits are increasing efficiencies. The downside is increasing fragility, especially when it comes to on-premise servers. If you have a server in your office, it's of tremendous importance because it serves as the foundation of your network and is largely responsible for providing the resources your other computers need to carry out the business process. As many of you know, if your server goes down, so goes the rest of your network. Because of this, your server is your single point of failure. It's our weak link in the office. So what can cause a server to go offline? Anything from a hardware failure, a power outage, sabotage, extreme weather, and in Honda's most recent example, a cyber attack. Once a server goes down, it takes a certain amount of time to bring it back up. And what it takes to bring it back up is largely a factor of what caused it to go down in the first place. Sometimes parts have to be ordered. Sometimes data has to be restored from a backup. Sometimes, in the case of a fire or a flood, the office has to be rebuilt. Now I know what you're asking yourself. Okay, Chris, that all sounds great. But when should I consider investing in a business continuity service? Before we go to market, I suggest having a better understanding about what it is we're trying to prevent. And that depends on your business. The first step in being able to answer that question is to perform a calculation that tells us how much our downtime costs us. There are so many factors that go into performing this calculation, so we've provided a link in the description to our free downtime calculator. Once you have that calculation, you will have a real-life dollars and cents understanding of what downtime costs your business. And you'll have a reasonable understanding of what you should budget in order to avoid that cost. A business continuity service is not for everyone. If you think it might be for you, use the link in the description to run some initial calculations and feel free to reach out to me anytime. If you found this video useful, please click the like button, click subscribe, and click the bell so you'll get notifications whenever we push out new content. Thank you for watching. Cheers to your success.